How to fix the Facebook Marketplace is not available in your screen. The very first step is to launch your Facebook application. Make sure you have installed the latest version so that you won't miss out on any new features. Go on the top right side with three vertical lines with your profile linked on it. Scroll down and down up until you see the option of settings and privacy right there. If you tap on settings and privacy, you will see the option of settings. Tap on it and now you will see many options right here. Now what you need to do is tap on the navigation bar, which is on the preferences section. After tapping on the navigation bar, you can also tap on manage notification dot. So here I've already enabled my marketplace, so it will be shown on my notification dots. I can also customize it by going on the customize. Since this all are auto and it will be shown in my Facebook, if I tap this to pin here, then it will be kept it in my navigation bar and it will be shown in my Facebook profile. So if you have a problem of your marketplace not showing, then you can just pin it and go back and see if it works or not. So this is how you can solve your problem. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.